It's a new year and you want to have a new you. The beginning of a new year, often people get into it, they all want to work out. But you know what? Part of that inspiration in working out is having some fresh new workout gear. I have a couple looks here for you, regardless of your style. These are brand new pieces that are out right now in stores. I'm going to show them to you and hopefully they'll give you a little motivation to get yourself in the gym. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist, and for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm so excited to see you guys. I thought I would start off the new year with a few workout inspiration outfits. Maybe they'll get you out there and get you moving. If you guys like this video, remember to give them a thumbs up. That's how I know what type of videos to make for you guys. And remember to hit that red subscribe button down below, and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday and we will hang out. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I just want to say I am creating this video in January. So if you are watching this video a year later in June, the colors are going to be a little bit different. Typically in the winter, I tend to go towards darker colors. I love black for working out. You can't see sweat. It hides a lot of bumps and lumps. So the outfits that I've all pulled are in the neutral kind of black colors. Anyway, moving right along. The first look I have for you is from Lululemon. I literally went into Lulu to buy my brother-in-law some running stuff, no word of a lie, and I ended up buying a few things for myself. So I found this burnout tank. I really like it. I like how high it is. It's cropped because my leggings are actually very high. I don't like it when my tank top and I'm working out, it hangs really low. I just feel a little bit sloppy. I don't necessarily want it tight, but I don't want to be swimming in it. I've tied this gray hoodie around my waist just to give you a little bit of style, but I found these leggings. I'm really obsessed with them. I don't know if you guys can see the sheen on them, but they're kind of shiny, like they almost look like leather pleather leggings, and I was like, yeah, it's kind of a rocker look. I love that for working out. I feel way cool. So I am 5'4" and I'm fairly mini. These are a size 4. I had a friend's daughter tell me that she wears a size 4 and she's a 5'8", and probably got maybe 15 more pounds on me, and we're wearing the same size. So there's a lot of flexibility in the range, but I'm just giving you an idea. I'm wearing the crop Wonder Unders, high rise with a little bit of a sheen. I love it when my leggings cut me here. I wear them all year. These are brand new shoes from Nike. I'll leave a link to these below. I love them. Number one, I love them because they're easy to work out in. Number two, they go with every outfit. They're super trendy right now, so I can throw them on with a pair of jean shorts, with a pair of jeans, whatever. So they work for workout and regular outfits, which is great for when you're traveling. So you only pack one pair of shoes. Anyway, there is gym outfit number 1. If you want a little bit of an edge, a bit of a rocker look, I love these Wonder Unders that got a little bit of shine, and the burnout top from Lulu. Outfit number 2 to inspire you to work out is from LA-based company Alo. I was in Manhattan Beach in the summer and I went into Alo in Santa Monica and fell in love. If you're not familiar with the brand, I will leave a link down below. It has probably got the most visibility right now out of a lot of the yoga kind of workout wear, primarily because a lot of the celebrities are wearing it. And a lot of the time it goes from gym to streetwear, which is something that's really nice. And considering that athleisure is a huge trend right now, Alo has got some of the best pieces. I'm showing you one look that I pulled when I was in Santa Monica, but you have to go on the website. There is the most amazing nude leggings, fantastic sweatshirts, great sweaters. They really have it all. I fell in love with these leggings from Alo. I love them because they have that ripped up look. I actually saw them on a girl in Santa Monica and she was walking by and I was like, wait a minute, I need those. I think they're fun. They're very easy to wear. They're soft, they're not too tight. And the shirt is really cute. I thought it's just a little bit fun, and this one is cropped. You don't have to buy a cropped shirt. If you go from the gym to sometimes for lunch or a meeting or whatever, which I sometimes do, I literally, with this outfit, I can just throw on a jean jacket. And if you take a look on my Instagram, you will legitimately see that this is true. And off I go to all my meetings in my athleisure with my crop top and my jean jacket and my really cool leggings. For look number 3, I could not leave out a classic. We have to go to Nike and see what they have going on. I actually went to one of their flagship stores, toured through everything. There's so many fun pieces there right now. I love it. They really have it going on. A lot of their branding is really fun and really loud. I like the shirt. It's kind of like a reminiscent of like the 90s when all the logos were massive. Obviously they're on trend right now. I just really liked the cut on this one. I liked the back on it. I liked the length and how it is a bit more slim fitting. And then to move on to the leggings, these were my favorite leggings. So I will link to these down below, but I will just let you know that I actually had Nike hem them to a crop fit. A couple of the features of these leggings that I love, it has a little pocket here on the side. It can work for your phone. It can work for a set of keys if you're out on a walk or jog or whatever you're doing. And there's a little credit card spot on the inside here. So I love those features. I think these are probably my softest leggings that I have. If you like wearing shorts more often, definitely go check it out. They have great jogging shorts right now and some tight little booty shorts, also very cute. One more thing, we can't talk about a workout outfit without talking about post-workout. I did find this super cute velour jacket from Brunette, the label, and I loved it. And actually, the last time I went to work out, I threw this on as my post-workout jacket, and my girlfriends loved it. In fact, I think they both ordered it. It's a cute look. It's a great winter look, again, with the darker color. The velour super on trend. You've got a little bit of like the 70s vibe going on the stripes. Very cute to add to your look post-workout. I'll leave a link down below. So maybe you're not like a super workouty type person and you're not really into the athleisure. Maybe you like a little more grungy alternative vibe for your workout. It's okay. You don't have to be like everybody else at the gym. You can throw on a graphic tee. I found these fantastic leggings at Hardtail. Hardtail has been around since I was a teen. It's one of my favorite brands out of LA. They make the softest, greatest leggings and workout wear, the best bras. I just love it. It's a little more casual. It's not so like meant to be like sweat wicking and all these different like high-tech performance brands. To me, it's just a little bit more casual, but it's still 100% cotton and like the most beautiful pieces. I love it. I wear a lot of their stuff. I have a lot of their long dresses, fantastic for vacation. You should definitely check out the website. But back to the workout wear. These are a pair of leopard leggings, right on trend for this season. I love them. Obviously, these are a full length for me, which is like totally changing it up. We've completely changed the look. I will often wear these even around the house. I will wear them to go work out. I love them. It's just a little bit more of a casual, fun, edgy look. And also very easy to leave the gym and go out like this. You can throw on any type of long sweater, a leather jacket, and you look fantastic. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are getting excited about your year, and some of these different brands that I've showed you have given you some inspiration to click on the links and go look at their sites and see what they have that is in your style. This is not a sponsored video. I went in and found these pieces at these brands and I just really loved them. So go in, take a look, and let me know what you think. Also, let me know in the comments below what was your favorite outfit, and if you have a favorite brand that I haven't shown that you love. I want to hear from you. If you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and also remember to hit that red subscribe button. If you take it a step further and hit the notification, a little notification will go off, a bell or whatever it is on your phone, that I have posted a video and you can see it right away and be one of the first people. I love that, and I love hearing from you guys. So I hope this gave you some inspiration, and I will see you on the next video.